Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about editing your TikTok captions after posting. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up whatever video you want to edit the captions for and select the three-dotted icon on the right side. Let's go ahead and select that. Select where it says Edit Captions. So go ahead and open that up. And then at this point, you can select the little pencil icon to go about editing the captions in this field. You can scroll through and then make whatever modifications you need and select the Save button at the top right once you're done. And that's all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.